This brand new 3-channel gyro mini metal RC helicopter is one of the world's newest, smallest, and lightest RC helicopter you can get. At approximate 7.5 inches long, it easily fits in the palm of your hand and is fully functional. Equipped with latest gyroscope technology, which makes this helicopter an instant hot seller in the RC world. This mini gyro metal helicopter charges directly either from the USB cable or from the controller, which uses AA batteries and has a full function trim control for the perfect flight. Get one today before they all fly away. The Syma helicopter is very easy to fly. Can be flown indoors or outdoors. When flying outdoors, the wind may affect your flying, as this helicopter is very light. Has red and blue lights that flash, which allows you to fly at night. Pair it with a remote control helicopter landing pad and you have the perfect setup for night flying. Flying time has ranged from 7 to 15 minutes for me. Flying time is less outside depending on the breeze. Very easy to control, although I have yet to master what every button on the remote does. I just press the buttons, push the joystick in every which direction and go.